This video shows you how to knit together your active stitches with the cast on edge. As you can see, I am at my beginning of round, and I am just going to start by slipping my right needle into the first stitch on my left needle so that I don't accidentally drop my beginning of round marker. Then I am going to go to the base of the first stitch on my left needle and trace that column of stitches down to the cast on edge. When I have reached the cast on edge, I can see a horizontal bar at the base of the column of stitches, which looks almost like a purl bump. This horizontal bar is created when you do the German twisted cast on, and any of my patterns which have you knit together the active stitches with the cast on edge will have you use this cast on method so that you have this horizontal bar. And I'm just going to take a removable marker and insert it into that horizontal bar so that the first column of stitches is easy for me to identify. Then I am going to go up to the top of my work and I'm going to fold my work in half, wrong sides together, and I'm just going to take the tail of my cast on edge and tuck it out of the way inside of that fold. And I am also going to remove my right needle from the first stitch on the left needle, which I had just done to keep my beginning of round marker in place. Then I'm going to take my right needle and insert it into that horizontal bar which has the removable marker in it, going from front to back. And then I'm going to slip that bar onto my left needle and knit it together with the first active stitch on the left needle. And that just means working a knit two together. If you've not worked a knit two together before, I have a separate tutorial for that on my channel. Now I can remove that light bulb marker, and I'm just going to repeat the process of inserting my right needle into the horizontal bar at the cast on edge of the next column of stitches, going from front to back. Then I am going to slip that picked up bar onto my left needle and knit it together with the next active stitch. And I just keep doing that until I am at the end of my row or round. So again, I am picking up the horizontal bar at the cast on edge of the next column of stitches, slipping that picked up bar onto my left needle and knitting it together with my next active stitch.